Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 5 End of Module Project 1. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the provided file, save it with the updated name, and verify your name in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Hyperlinks. On the dashboard sheet, add links in H7, website, H8, email with screen tip, H9, categories sheet, and H10, external workbook. Step 3. External references. Copy C6, C19 from the external workbook, paste as links in C6 of the dashboard sheet, delete unnecessary values, C8, C12, C16, and close the external file. Step 4. Named ranges and totals. Name D9, D11 as PayrollEXP and D13, D15 as OpEXP. Use the sum function in D18 to total these ranges. Step 5. Hyperlink update. Remove the hyperlink in C21, keeping the text. Step 6. 3D references. Use SUM in E6 to total C6 across grouped sheets, Charlotte, Milwaukee, and copy it to other specified ranges. Step 7. Percent of sales. On the Charlotte sheet, name C6 as revenue, and calculate percentages in D7 in related ranges. Step 8. Formatting. Group the office sheets, apply heading 1 to B2, ungroup, and verify. Step 9. Finalization. Save, close, and submit the file as per instructions. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.